Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 billion signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. It was such a weekend we have, and such a morning we have. One of my best mornings, by the way, and definitely this week is gonna be insane. We start quickly with a quick recap about the economic calendar because we have a lot to talk about the currencies and crude oil. We reached one of our long-term targets that I actually recorded a couple of weeks ago. We're gonna talk about it just in about a couple of minutes. So Monday we have almost, I would say, even nothing on the economic calendar. The only event for Tuesday is a speech of Governor Orr in New Zealand, 1 a.m. Wednesday, gross domestic product. Since the last couple of years, GDP is not such a big deal for the forex market, so it's not bringing us volatility. But manufacturing production in UK, 9:30 a.m. GMT, is definitely a big deal. Core CPI 12:30 the same day, GMT for US, and crude oil inventories 2:30. Our lovely crude oil inventories. Crude oil is the topic this week, and it's a topic since the last couple of weeks actually, but it's very interesting. Thursday, PPI 12:30, and interest rate decision for Thursday 12:45 for Euro, PPI for US, interest rate decision for Eurozone. So Friday we have simply nothing, and to make the long story short, Great British Pound, Euro, and US are in focus, with crude oil and USD Canadian, by the way, because you see why, because of the crude oil drop. Euro US dollar. We had a talk about it so many times. Euro, be careful with the buys. I said that last time when the price was 120, 150, 200 pips below the current price, but anyway, doesn't matter this upward movement. Still, it was very I would say risky to take any buy trades on the euro as it is right now. So for now, I'm gonna leave the euro. I'm gonna keep my focus on the other instruments because it can make a very strong decline. It can make very strong correction, and if you're on the buy side, you're not gonna be very happy. Great British Pound, it's still keeping its no direction, I would say. I've been expecting to see 1.25 after a slight recovery here. Obviously it didn't happen. The price is going up and down, no direction. I'm gonna leave the GBP for now until I see this is finding some direction and it's going in up or down trend. Probably I'm gonna wait for breakout of 1.28, and then I'm gonna looking for short trades to see GBP heads down to 1.25. Going to Australian US dollar because this is much more interesting. We talked about it. This was a very good and simple short trade after recovery to the upside. Brilliant. Drop 280 pips, drop to 300 pips. New Zealand is more interesting because of one simple reason. Simply reached 0.6378. I got short trades, as many of my students were having a short trade to New Zealand, US, and just they started texting me early morning how happy they are. But definitely New Zealand was very simple trade, recovery, very clear downtrend, and just a short trade of New Zealand US, 320-30 pips for the New Zealand US. Very interesting move. USD Canadian, we go directly to the winner this week, and it definitely is the crude oil. A couple of weeks ago, when the price was approximately $53, we had talked about it to the end of March, middle of April, even to the end of March, but after that the price was not moving so fast. Middle of April, we can see definitely $30 per barrel, and this was the long-term forecast for crude oil, $23 per barrel for the crude oil. OPEC, simply as I started the video with, decided to increase the crude oil production, not to cut it, and this is the impact. Almost 10, even more, $12 per barrel drop, with gap $10 per barrel. This is big, huge. If you had long-term trades on the crude oil short, definitely you are very happy and you make very good profit right now. So how this impacted USD Canadian, we had to talk about it also. Very interesting setup and very potential trade. Test of the support 1.3339 and 400 pips increase of the price after that. Very big gap in this case. Specifically, the Canadian dollar goes down, USD CAD goes up. That's why Canadian dollar itself going down, because the crude oil is going down. We had discussion with a couple of my students what we supposed to do. So, but many times I mentioned USD Canadian is definitely in an uptrend, broken the resistance level, made it support, and this is why I had buy trades on USD Canadian. USD Swiss following, not exactly, but following the wave. So as we can see, USD Swiss went down with 130 pips since the morning, approximately. Of course, any moment we've been expecting actually strong upward momentum, upward correction. So this is why just be careful with the Swiss short trades. It's gonna be very interesting, very potential, but I would definitely say not today. USD Japanese, we had discussion about it, connection between USD Japanese, USD Swiss, and Dow. Dow Jones is going down like crazy, and 1,000 pips from the top of the USD Japanese. For sure, I'm gonna take short trades on USD Japanese, USD Swiss. Not now. I'm gonna wait for the correction, and then I'm gonna take my action. So this week, guys, is gonna be very interesting. Follow it and make some money, because I think we're gonna have very good setups. So thank you very much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed the video. Of course, thumbs up, comments below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share us and like us on the social medias, support our channel, so let's make it more popular for your friends. And of course, if you have any questions to me, just get back to me whenever you want. You know how to do it. Good luck. Wish you a very profitable week, and of course, have some fun. Bye bye.